The main difference is simple. Your is always followed by a noun, and yours replaces an earlier noun. Number one, is this blank book? Which word is better here? Your or yours? Well, since book is a noun, you need a word that precedes a noun, which is your. So the correct sentence is this your book? This simply means does this book belong to you? Now let's read the full sentence. Is this your book? Great job. Number two, this phone is blank. No noun follows a blank here. So we need a word that replaces an earlier noun like phone, which is yours. The correct sentence is this phone is yours. This means that you are the owner of this phone and yours here is replacing your phone. Let's read it. This phone is yours. Number three, I love blank house. You've got house right after blank, and house is definitely a typical noun. So we need a word followed by a noun, which is your. The correct sentence is I love your house. In simple terms, I really enjoy how nice your home is. Number four, the pen is blank. Just like the phone question, there's no noun after blank. So we need yours, the possessive pronoun that replaces an earlier noun like pen. The sentence becomes the pen is yours. This means the pen belongs to you, and yours is a replacement for your pen. It's yours, don't lose it. So remember the main difference. Your is always followed by a noun, and yours replaces an earlier noun. I'm Nelson. If you like this lesson, that success is yours, and that like button is waiting for your click. I'll see you next time. Bye.